Hola, la señora Vaz con las instrucciones de hoy. We're going to see the directions for today's plan. Okay, the first thing, lo primero, recuerda reportar tu asistencia aquí. You need to click here and complete the form. Thank you. La actividad inicial, that's warm up. We're going to start getting more and more familiar with our words so we can start speaking some Spanish. Okay, completa la introducción en el libro virtual. Esto es lo que van a hacer. We are starting our new chapter today. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? That's what you like to do. In this chapter, we're going to learn how to say some activities that we like or don't like to do. Also, we will be able to express agreement or disagreement with others about likes and dislikes. So, la actividad inicial, completar la introducción en el libro virtual. Vamos a las clases y la introducción está aquí. Vamos a mirarla. Hay dos partes en la introducción del libro virtual. Introducción. Dos partes. There are two parts. The first one is about art and culture, and you're familiar with this because you already did a project on this. So you just need to answer that question, complete that question. And then the second part is a video. So you're going to watch this video. Now, if you remember the first video you did for this book, you played the video. This one is in the first page, you find it in Spanish.
¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Cuáles son tus actividades favoritas? En América Latina y España.
Okay. And then when you go to the second page, you find the same video in English.
What do you like to do? What are some activities you enjoy doing with your friends? Young people in Latin America and Spain enjoy many of the same activities you do.
Okay. And then you go to the third page and there's a question. You complete that question, then you click the progress you click. Well, you're going to be able to click it once you answer the question. Let's see. You answer the question, then you're going to be able to put the check here, and then you can turn it in. Okay? So that's what you had to do for your warm-up, actividad inicial. Back to the plan. Okay, so as I told you, we're going to be learning about about different activities. So we're going to start with our new vocabulary. So I put here our new vocabulary for this time. Right here it is. So today, basically, we're going to start learning our vocabulary. This is the slideshow. I'm going to show you this slideshow. And I want for you to please repeat the words as you hear them. So you start learning how to pronounce them. So I'm going to start now. Patinar. Patinar. Escribir cuentos. Escribir cuentos. Trabajar. Trabajar. Tocar la guitarra. Tocar la guitarra. Usar la computadora. Usar la computadora. Montar en monopatín. Montar en monopatín. Hablar por teléfono. Hablar por teléfono. Esquiar. Esquiar. Escuchar música. Escuchar música. Nadar. Nadar. Pasar tiempo con amigos. Pasar tiempo con amigos. Dibujar. Dibujar. Practicar deportes. Practicar deportes. Montar en bicicleta. Montar en bicicleta. Jugar videojuegos. Jugar videojuegos. Cantar. Cantar. Bailar. Bailar. Enseñar. Enseñar. Estudiar. Estudiar. Ver la tele. Ver la tele. Correr. Correr. Ir a la escuela. Ir a la escuela. Leer revistas. Leer revistas. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Me gusta. Me gusta. No me gusta. No me gusta. Okay, so that's your vocabulary that you have. And I put the slide here in your class plan. Let's go here again. So you have your words with the meaning, so you can find the meaning of those words here. And then you also have your slideshow that I put right there. And then there's the Quizlet, so you can practice. You can go to the Quizlet and you can look at the words. And if you go to the Aprender section, no, that's not the one, sorry. Es las fichas. This can tell you how to pronounce the words.
Patinar. Patinar.
And here you move them to the next one.
Escribir cuentos.
So you can learn the pronunciation of the words.
Trabajar.
Okay, so I put the Quizlet there, and then you already saw this one. Aprender, you can type the words, write in the spelling, and then the test. And then there are some games that you probably are familiar with. You just need to okay, so that's the matching game. Okay, I don't want to play that anymore, but then you basically that's what you're doing today. I also put this song here. Took long enough. Okay, so there's your song. And this song has an activity for today. So when you go here, you click on this link for Ed Puzzle. And it's going to take you to your class. So you're going to join the class. That's the code that you needed. But you should be able to join just by clicking on Google, like log in with Google or something like that. So you can be able to log in, and then you're going to complete the activity. The activity is based on that. Let's see. Is based on that song. So I don't have any students here because you haven't got there yet, but your names will appear here and now have the grade. So you have some questions that you're going to need to answer. Each one of these is a question. So you have 6 questions that you need to answer. And that's all the activities for today. So mainly today we're just learning the new vocabulary, and the next class we will be practicing, we will do some practice in the book. But today you're going to have a break from the book and you are going to do only this. So for today, at the end of the class, you need to have completed the introduction of the virtual book and then this activity. And then all these activities are for you to learn the vocabulary. As usual, this video I'm recording is going to be right here. And that's it. I'll see you during class. Nos vemos en la clase. Hasta pronto.